Hello mga kalindog, ayan, new image tayo ngayon, bagong gupit. I cut my hair, I put some bangs, ayan guys. I don't know, it's like, what do you call that, komish na? Because I changed new image, ayan mga kalindog, I put some bangs. I don't know if you like it or not. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo ang aking bangs. Ayan, I cut it by myself, ayan. After kung pinaliguan yung aking buhok, ayan. I have a bangs now, guys. I hope did you enjoy or do you like my bangs? It's new image now, no? Because March. Oh, guys, di ba? Ano sa tingin nyo? What can you think about my bangs, guys? Ayan. Oh, di ba? Bangs. Di ba? So, guys, please comment below if you have comments about my new image or new bangs. I don't know. Ayan. Kahit ako, I feel parang komish, right? New image. So, thank you guys. Ayan. Please tell me it's okay or not. Ayan. Diba? Ah? Diba? Bye!